Good evening, everyone. It is Tuesday, March 21st, 2023. Just our 4-hour chart here. What did we have today? Well, the overnight ended up doing what I was looking for, which was that it held bid off of that 82 to 85 area, and then we got our ramp upwards. My first target was 40.11 that I'd stated. I was looking for 40.11 to 20. Above there, I was looking for about 35 to 39. And overall, I was looking for a move to 40.55 once we cleared that this sort of 90 area. So we're almost up there with a high of the day coming in at 40.43 and we spent a good amount of the day holding off from getting into that gap that we made. So let's just look at that for a second. Let's turn on the RTH here so we can see that gap, and we'll throw in a 5-minute because it was choppy. You can see we had a gap over here, not able to close that all day despite sellers repeatedly trying to. I got short in the hole, unfortunately, at 11.25. That was where the weekly pocket shifted around 1 o'clock, I believe. I waited for it to come back above, and I thought we were going to accept below and get that flush into the gap close. Instead, they trapped sellers like myself and ramped this thing right into the close. We had some initial resistance around that 40.30 number, but again, we just held kind of this 4,004 to 4,010-ish area and ramped this thing up. Now, the last time we were in this area, we had 40.12 as our distributive point of control and 40.17, 18.20 sort of as our highs of the session. And you can see on this session, instead we kind of churned around that 40.12 and we're using that 17 as support. That 17 to 20 became our key support and we ramped up higher. Now, what am I looking at for tomorrow? Well, I've been talking about for quite a while this 40.52, and that is just the point of control we had prior to the large JPOW sell on that Tuesday session from early in the month. So I will be short there. Up above, I want to be short 61.5. That is an 87 or perhaps, a 91% weekly value area high from the week of Monday, the March 6th onwards. So I will be short there, and above there, not looking to get short until we get up towards about 75 to 80. I doubt we'll be getting that. So overall, what I'm looking for tomorrow is I think we'll come up to this 52-ish area, get our sell down, maybe come to 11s. I will be bid there just for the fact that that is where we had that weekly point of control shift. I think that's an area where we do have trapped shorts, so I will be getting long there. And if we break that, I think we'll come down to that gap close where, again, I'll be looking to buy 84s and 72s. So that's what I'm looking for, and it is important to note, of course, we have FOMC at 2 p.m. So what I'm looking for is a quieter morning. After the Euro close, I think it'll really start to quiet down. So I'm looking for a quieter rotational session ahead of that FOMC. No clue what happens after that. If I had to take a shot in the dark, I'd say that they're going to raise 25 basis points. That tends to be what they do. The Fed is usually a little bit slow to responding to crises, so I don't really care what they do. I won't be trading the FOMC event. I'll be just trading the morning and then looking to see what kind of damage we do after that. So that's how I'm looking at it. Long 72s, 84s, 11.25 where the shorts are trapped, in my opinion. Short 52s, 61s, and perhaps we get into this 75 to 80 number, although I doubt it. Short video, not a lot to talk about. Have a great night, you guys, and trade safe.